Hi class, for this discussion board I will be using my place of employment, which is at a inpatient psychiatric facility. The two key characteristics of the organizational culture is treating patients with respect and dignity, and then also providing a safe and secure place for those wanting to begin their road to recovery, whether that's those facing mental illness or substance abuse issues. It can be challenging working in an inpatient psychiatric facility because of wanting to balance the self-determination of the client and then also wanting to keep the client safe if they've identified being a danger to themselves or others, or are in a psychotic state where they can't really make that decision for themselves. One way that it's supportive in the environment that I work in is we work together as a team. We have a lot of clinicians working together as a team and able to make the best decisions for the patients that we serve. And if there's ever a reason that we're having to make decisions for them, we are doing it within we're doing it in a legal way, such as, with petitions and making sure that, there is solid reason to be able to keep somebody, in the hospital. But what can be challenging is just that balance act of being sure that the person can decide for themselves first and foremost. If they're not a danger to themselves or others, then they could stay outpatient and use community resources instead of having to be inpatient. This can be especially difficult with substance abuse since that is a mental illness in its own way, but it's also not something that you can keep somebody in the hospital in to not harm themselves, because it is also a choice that that patient is making. So I guess the point that I'm trying to make is that we want to treat the clients with respect and dignity, and have them make decisions that they feel are in their best interest before we're making decisions for them based on what we feel is their best interest. And just supporting the client in what they want to do and what their goals are, and helping them to achieve those goals in the least restrictive environment. So thanks for watching.